is the will, actually, if the will is will to objectification, if the will is the will to life, then through objectification it reaches a certain degree of consciousness, but then the will to objectification becomes the aim of the will, and then the will cannot be really defined as aimless. Will is will to itself, will to know itself. Thank you.
Hello?
Shall I?
Hello? Thank you. Thank you, but will is unconscious, he said. Schopenhauer said it is unconscious, purely unconscious will, and he is not talking about becoming conscious. It is purely unconscious. So what you said, I could not.
That's a clear answer, thank you.
Oh, yes, yes.
I would like to know, you were talking about animals and plants, and you said he's setting a very clear border. I would like to know if you think it's passing with the Indian philosophers that he was influenced from, and if there is a way to gap it, find a way to overcome this separation.
Understand?
What is the separation? He said a boundary.
No, he said it is degrees of manifestation. According to the degree of manifestation, he has divided human will as the highest objectification. In human beings, it is fully objectified, and then comes the animals, then the plants, and unorganized nature. So that way, because of degrees of manifestation, depending on that, he has divided this. The division. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
The question was about the gap between animals and plants, which Schopenhauer makes, I think, in respect to the ethics. That the ethics of compassion refers to animals and human beings, but not to plants. Do you think there's something in the Shankara tradition about that point?
Ethics of compassion.
Ethics of compassion.
Compassion is always there. In Shankara's philosophy, it is said that everything has a soul. That is the Atma. Gardavaru matlab fox. Even the fox also has a soul. So plants also has a soul. The same soul which we share with Brahman. We are non-different from the Brahmana. So same soul is everywhere present. Plants and animals.
Thank you.
Okay.
Anyone more questions? Thank you once again for your paper. I think it added one point we had not talked about today, is the point that in the highest grade of objectivation, it includes the analogies of all other steps or all other ideas. I think this is also a point we should think of in respect with the question of founding a environmental ethics. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good evening, daily. I wish you. It's late. It's late in your daily. I think it's about 11 o'clock in the evening. I wish you good night. And bye bye.
It is 10 o'clock. Yeah. Bye bye.
10 o'clock.